So hello, this is Cheryl Wilson, and I'm an abstract artist. And so today is day 5 of the art challenge, Exploring Your Inner Creative. Welcome back if you have joined me for the first 4 days. And if you're new here, if you want to go back and catch day 1, 2, 3, and 4, before you do this, if not, listen to this and go back. But day 1, we talked about our self-reflection and who we are as artists. Where do we want to go in 2022? And what do we want to bring forward from our past journey? Day 2, we talked about our inner critic and how to quiet her and get in touch with our passion and our creative soul. Day 3, we discussed facing our fears and our art and how taking risks can be inspiring. While this is scary for many artists, it's crucial that we learn how to take risk because they help us grow in our practice. Day 4 was talking about this thought of risk-taking and learning how to trust ourselves in our art journey. So we did an exercise that explored a mindset of enjoyment that led to artwork that hopefully brought out your style. We all started with the same exercise, and I'm sure we all ended up doing our own creative process. I'm hoping that part of you and who you are came out in your art. So today I wanted to explore some ideas with you that will help you see what you love in your life and how these things are a part of your art and a part of you as an artist. First, tell your inner critic to go sit in the corner. Tell your inner creative that you are allowing her to explore without fear, and trust yourself. You've got this. So if you're ready, let's start exercise 1. So let's take a walk. Let's do a visual journey. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a walk in some place that you feel safe, someplace that you may be familiar to you, your backyard, the park, or just walking up and down your street. And take with you an inspirational pad of paper and a writing utensil. And then write down the things that you're drawn to. Here are some of the things I saw and why I loved them. I saw a tree covered with snow. I love the bare branches and the minimal look of the two colors together. I love the lines, the black and white looking tones, the unusual branch shapes and the wandering lines. Then I saw the cracks in the pavement, and I love the unusual shapes and the winding lines in the pavement. I love the texture and again the gray tones that were created. And then I saw an orange fall leaf laying in the snow. I loved again the minimalistic look, the color of the orange, and the way it was a bold statement against the white snow. Exercise 2 is just to listen to your favorite music station. Listen to your favorite song. Close your eyes for a few minutes and write down the feelings that you have. For example, the one I listened to was a classical piece, The Moldau River by Bedřich Sameta. And I heard in that song a stream of water flowing softly. And then the music got louder and it was like widening into a larger body of water. And then it rushed into a waterfall. And so I just wrote down my feelings, meandering and loud, and just the feelings that I felt when I heard the song. Exercise 3, look at your home decor. Make sure you have a piece of paper and your pad with you, but look around your house for patterns in your home decor. Your carpet, your cushions, your bedspread. You're looking for your style. You're looking for the style around your house. And if you decorated your house, it would have parts of you. That's what you love in your style. So write down what you see. For example, are you seeing neutral colors? Patterned vases, carpets with texture. I saw in my house minimalistic rooms, tables with curved corners, plants all over, many textures, layered items on the tables, blank and white patterns, neutrals, and then full-on color. In the last exercise, look at your closet full of clothes or your drawers, wherever your clothes are. You're looking for your style again. Your clothes and your art are going to start to reflect each other, or they should. So, for instance, if you look in my closet, you'll see a lot of black and white. You'll see, again, some neutral colors. You'll see lines. You'll see dots. You'll see texture. And what you'll see later on is you also will see that in my art. So all this was just to start getting you to think about your art in the abstract world is a reflection of who you are, the things you like, the things you're drawn to, the things you love. So, for instance, for me, you'll see throughout my art over and over again neutral, muted colors, line, black and white, shapes, touches of the blue tones, golds and silvers, black and white together, lots of bold colors, loose designs, irregular designs, unusual shapes, greens and ocean tones, pops of color, circles, the infinity symbol. And so all these are things that I have found that I'm drawn to in nature. I'm drawn to in my clothes. I'm drawn to in my home decor. And so they also just get drawn into my art. And it's just something to think about, something to ponder, to see if some of these things can help you understand the who you are as an artist, what your style is, and just to help you explore your inner creative. So I just want to thank you for joining me on this 5-day art challenge, this journey. I hope it's been helpful for you. And I hope you share some of your ideas and thoughts in the Facebook group, or do the hashtag intentional artist on Instagram. And my goal was just to open your mind, help you explore outside of maybe your current boundaries, to give you some additional ideas. But I want to thank you again. If you're new, thank you for joining me. I hope you subscribe. If you're returning, thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting me as an artist. And I'd really love to hear from you.